Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today we have two awesome words to explore, so let's get started. Our first word is interlocutor. Interlocutor. Now, doesn't that sound fancy? But what does it actually mean? In simple terms, an interlocutor is someone who engages in a conversation or discussion with others, like a skilled conversationalist. It's a term often used to describe someone who actively participates in a conversation, debate, or discussion with others and shares their thoughts, opinions, or ideas. It's like having a conversational partner or a dialogue companion. Or you can think of them as wizards who wield the power of words to engage in meaningful conversations. Interlocutors play a vital role in keeping conversations going and exchanging ideas. They are like the glue that holds dialogues together. Consider this sentence. In a heated debate, both sides presented their arguments to the interlocutors, who listened attentively before responding. Here's another sentence example. The skilled debater served as an interlocutor, skillfully presenting their arguments and rebutting their challengers' points. Now, let's move on to our second word, grandiose. Grandiose. It has a majestic ring to it, doesn't it? Grandiose is an adjective which means impressive or showy, especially in an exaggerated or exaggeratedly self-important way. When something is grandiose, it's big, impressive, and often extravagant. It's like when you see a fancy castle or a luxurious mansion. For example, the magician's grandiose stage performance left the audience in awe with spectacular illusions and dazzling fireworks. You get the idea. Grandiose things are larger than life, making a bold statement and capturing attention with their magnificence. Here's another sentence example. The fashion show featured grandiose designs with extravagant costumes and lavish sets, leaving the audience amazed. And there you have it, folks. The meanings of interlocutor and grandiose. Now you can impress your friends with your word wizardry. If you enjoyed watching this episode, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun-filled episodes. Thanks for watching.